This November, the Bitcoin mining world comes together in Texas. On Wednesday, November 12th at 6 p.m., during Mining Disrupt in Irving, the Bitcoin Mining World Happy Hour is where the industry meets face-to-face. Meet the people building the future of Bitcoin mining, farm operators, pubco executives, hosting providers, investors, repair technicians, ASIC manufacturers, mobile mining container innovators, and everyday home miners, all in one place.
Bitcoin mining world really brings together a group of people who seem to get and know this industry. People were genuinely connecting and talking shop and sharing ideas.
This isn't just networking. This is where partnerships are formed, deals are made, and ideas take shape.
The informal nature that you meet after the work is done, having a smaller group of like-minded people with the same goal of networking.
Space is limited and the energy is unmatched. If you're serious about Bitcoin mining, this is the event you cannot miss.
It was a great time to meet some new connections in the crypto world, and it was great to see your internet friends show up and meeting face-to-face sometimes for the first time.
The Bitcoin Mining World Happy Hour is hosted by Bitcoin Mining World in collaboration with ASIC Miner Parts and EMCD. Reserve your spot now before tickets run out. Bitcoin Mining World Happy Hour. See you in Texas.